So most of us just wait around until we feel inspired before we let ourselves paint. We wait for the right mood, the clean studio, or the free afternoon. So I want to show you something because this painting was made on a day where I really did not want to paint. I was tired, my back was hurting, and I didn't even get to finish it. So I want to walk you through why I painted anyway and why a day like this one still moves you forward more than waiting ever will. So normally when I sit down to film, I like my studio to be clean and everything to be set up because that helps me get into the right headspace. But on this day, none of that was true. My studio was a mess. I was tired, my back was bothering me, and I couldn't find a single thing that would inspire me. So I'm going to be honest with you, I wasn't really enjoying it. I wasn't in there exploring colors and loving every minute. I was kind of just looking forward to being done, to be honest. But I painted anyway. And not because I thought if I pushed through, I'd suddenly find my flow. Not that that doesn't happen, but I did it because I think it's important to be persistent. I painted because I know that persistence is what has gotten me this far in my painting journey. And I know it can do the same in my business. Showing up on the hard days matters more than you might know. Being persistent is the single most important thing that you can do. Believe me, because I know from experience that relying on inspiration alone won't get you very far. And to be totally honest with you, I wasn't even able to actually finish this painting. I ran out of time because I had a call to show up for. And I was really annoyed that I didn't get to finish it. But then all of a sudden I remembered that this is actually what happens when I practice anyhow. I have loads of half-finished paintings in my journals. I don't always finish and I don't always have a good day, and it doesn't always turn into something I love. So the same way I don't always feel inspired to paint, I don't always have to wait until there's time enough to make something, because it doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes I get a little bit of painting in and I leave it as is. And sometimes when I only have a little time, I'll go back down and pull out an old page and just try to make it better. And that's what real practice looks like. It's not a string of finished paintings at your best or most inspired days. It's showing up and getting painting in and letting that be enough. So if you're sitting there waiting to feel ready, waiting for the inspired day, the clean studio, the right mood, or the free afternoon, I want you to hear this. You don't need any of that to paint. Relying on inspiration alone won't get you far anyhow, but showing up will. You just need to show up and get a little bit of painting in, and let that count even when it was hard, even when you don't finish, even when you don't love it. That is what practice is. That's what actually moves you forward. And remember, it's okay to just paint 10 minutes on days like these. And if you want some help knowing what to look for in your own paintings, especially on the days when nothing feels right, I made something that I call the Clarity Kit. It's a free checklist and a short workshop that walks you through what it looks like before you call a painting done. And I teach you about value, variety, and color, which are the most important elements in art. The link is in the description below, so go grab it and I'll see you in there.